So, welcome to the channel. I'm guessing, well, I'm not guessing. I know for certain. It's new. It's new to me. It's new to the internet, and I just thought I'd start up a little YouTube channel. So I got one of these. What's it called? It's a Ghost Pro something or other camera, and it's got a little microphone that I've connected into my helmet. So I thought I'd just use it as a way of chatting and maybe documenting, as well as the obvious, if someone does something silly, I can use that on the insurance and any claims that come up like that. That's quite a good little idea, I thought. That, and big exciting news, I'm heading off to Spain and Portugal next month, so that's September 2026. Me and my partner. So my partner will be on the back, and we're going to go touring around Spain and Portugal with a tour company that we found called RiderCam TV Tours. Bit of a plug there for them. Gentlemen so far, Toby and Graham, I've spoken to. Brilliant people, absolutely brilliant. So all in all, we're really excited to be going on the tour and get out, the two of us. Obviously there's going to be a massive group. When I say a massive group, I don't know what you'd call massive on these touring groups. I would imagine in the regions of about 20 or so, I suppose. But we're yeah, we're really looking forward to it, my partner and I suppose really I should do an introduction of myself. So my name's Mike, obviously a biker, as you can tell. I haven't just nicked this like some of those awful little scrotes are doing a lot at the moment. I've been biking for probably in the region of about 20 years now, I suppose. You know, I don't claim to be an absolute Rossi. I don't ride like that. I prefer to just try and have a general chilled ride, get my enjoyment out of it. I try not to get too wild, but at the same time we all like a little bit of adrenaline here and there. And for the purposes of the video, I think people say that they're in Mexico when they do silly things, so all filming is done in Mexico. Yeah, I thought I'd try and engage a bit with a community, simply because I have some things about me that are maybe a little different than some people. Maybe puts me a little bit on the margin, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's what I'm trying to look for, is people to say, look, I'm exactly the same. I know what you're feeling, I know where you're coming from, and hopefully we can meet and talk through this. I'll feel a little bit better, maybe you'll feel a little bit better, and we'll all get along well. And I don't know, I really don't want the channel to end up something where we end up criticising each other. That would be completely against why I'd want to do it, you know. I.e., if you want to pick holes in my riding, feel free. I'd probably do it as well. But if it's a genuine, look, Mikey, you could be doing this and things will be safer for you, you'll be more in control, maybe you... something silly, you got your tyre pressures too high, you got your tyre pressures too low. Brilliant, tell me that. Tell me that, we'll work on it, I'll get a bit better hopefully. But if you're one of those keyboard warriors, I'm sorry, this isn't the place for you, I just won't engage with you. So yeah, here's me. I'll try and fill in a little bit of chat in here and there, but this is all really new to me. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Absolutely not a Scooby-Doo. I don't even know if the camera angle's any good for you. But stick with me. I might get better at it. I'm not planning on doing this for money or anything like that. I've never really done anything on YouTube either. So this will all be new. So you'll probably find that my editing will be absolutely terrible. But that's okay. I'm not here to make millions and millions of views. I'm just here to make a bit of content, see if people like it. If they do, that's great. I don't even know. I think if you don't put ads on, you don't get monetized or whatever it is, which sounds great to me, because I don't want people having ads when they're watching. If I can do something like that, I think I'll do that, simply because I have a full-time job, I've got a nice bike, so my job pays pretty well, which I do consider myself lucky for. I'm not someone that just says, oh look at me, I've got money. It's a case of I've worked really hard for this, and over the time of us chatting, you'll see that.